Hey folks, hope you're all surviving winter 2026 wherever you are. I'm going to show you my peanut butter powder and almond powder protein blend that I like. That's good just directly on the applesauce. But we've got our breakfast grain cooking, and I'm going to put the applesauce on that, and then I'm going to add this sauce. I'm going to do a blend, just kind of using up this almond protein powder. So let's see if I get 2 tablespoons worth out of the almond or not. So not quite 2 tablespoons of that. I have this rice protein sitting around. I'm going to add 1 tablespoon of that, and I'm going to add a little more than a tablespoon of this, since I didn't have 2 full tablespoons of the almond. This is glycine, which is actually what helps the body to produce collagen. It's got a granulated texture and taste, almost like sugar. I'm going to use, I got micro ingredients here. They come with these little scoopers. I'm going to use about 4 of them. I use roughly a tablespoon more or so of whatever I'm dissolving this with, of liquid than powder. So probably be about 4 tablespoons of soy milk, a 1/4 cup. I actually also add a pinch of a little pink Himalayan sea salt for this. You could add cinnamon if you want. I'm going to add a spoonful of sorghum syrup. We get this locally. I like the thick viscosity of this and the flavor. So there's about the texture, and this is going to be super delicious on my morning oats and the applesauce. It's got all kinds of information, menu plans, there's some recipes, and the companion recipe book will be available hopefully by the end of the month as well. So I do hope you'll check it out. Would really love the support, especially Amazon reviews if you do get it, and I appreciate that.